If you're anything like me, you're probably wondering, what can I use on my gravel area that I have a lot of grass and unwanted weeds? Stay tuned. I have this awesome natural grass and weed killer for you. You might be a little bit skeptical, I was too, but after using this a little bit on some other areas around my property, I was actually quite pleased. And that's why I'm bringing this to you right now. So stay tuned. We're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna show you from start to finish what this product does and how amazing it is. Now you're gonna probably think, this is natural. How can this actually work without some kind of crazy chemical? Stay tuned, believe me, you'll be amazed. We're gonna go ahead and review this product for you right now. Hi, my name's Tim and welcome to the Flanneled Vine. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you the natural weed and grass killer made by Natural Armor. So if you take a look right here, I have this gravel pit where I make my fires and just have a little bonfire every once in a while. And you can see that there's just so much weeds and grass that are just rather annoying. Now I do have to re-gravel this, and eventually at some point I will be doing that. But first, I really want to get rid of these weeds and all the unwanted, growing of grass and everything. So I looked around online and also at the hardware store, and there's just so many harsh chemicals in those things. However, I was given this product, and it's the natural weed and grass killer by Natural Armor. Now, you might be a little bit skeptical on it being natural, and the ingredients on it after reading it are really straightforward. There's nothing crazy about it. And it's really awesome because they do advertise on here that there's no glyphosates in it. So that's a plus and that's a bonus, especially if you have, like myself, a young puppy, or if you have children. So I'm gonna be showing you this. I'm gonna be spraying this all around here. I'm gonna be showing you the before and the after. And you'll be rather amazed by how fast this works. It advertises that it works in just 24 hours. Every time I've sprayed this on different areas in my property, I've noticed that it often works relatively quick. Even within the first 30 minutes of it being sprayed, you can start seeing it naturally getting darker in color, meaning it's doing its job. It's like killing it from the leaves all the way to the grass root. So as I mentioned before, this is advertised safe around pets and also young children. And my only gripe about this is just the hideous smell. Now it is reminiscent of something like ketchup or really bad lemon juice with tomatoes mixed in it, even though that's not even in it. It does contain some natural ingredients, and I'll go over that for you right here. I'll put also a screenshot up so you can read the natural ingredients. And again, so unfortunately, some of the label is missing because it was taped. This little spray attachment was taped here. So unfortunately, with this being like a mom and pop company, they taped this to it and some of the label comes off after you remove it. No big deal. Now this is a 128 ounce bottle, so it's 1 gallon. So if you look at the front, the natural ingredients are clearly listed right here in the bottom right-hand corner. I'll put that screenshot up there so you can see it for yourself of the front and the back. That way, so you can make your decision on if this product is right for you. The active ingredients in here are sodium chloride, clove oil, citric acid, and the other ingredients are water, vinegar, glycerin, and lemon. And that juice is relatively 90.6%. So that's a lot of just natural ingredients of just the water, vinegar, glycerin, and lemon. And that's probably what gives it really bad, hideous smell of like ketchup. I'm not really a huge ketchup fan. It just kind of grosses me out every time I smell it. But if you're able to stomach that and get past that while you're spraying this, the spray does stay in the area for a little bit of time. So be mindful of that. If you're able to get past that and you want a solid solution for your weeds and grass that are just growing in areas where you don't want them, this product right here made by Natural Armor is probably the perfect product for you. I'll put a direct link to where you can find this in the description below. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna spray this whole entire area right here. And I'm gonna show you right now just a little bit of what it looked like before. I'm gonna show you in the middle of the process of what it looks like. And I'm also gonna show you the end result 24 hours from now. So let's go ahead and spray this area down. Now, when you're spraying this, you want to spray directly onto the roots of whatever you're spraying. You don't want to spray it in the wind. It does have a little knob on here where you can adjust the spray. So if you're in an area where there's a lot of leaves, you can kind of adjust it to where it's a mist. But I have it set on to where it's a straight stream. That way, so I can hit the roots directly, get it killed at the source of where it's growing out of the ground. You'll notice that if you spray the leaves within about 30 minutes to an hour, you're going to start seeing that dark color, meaning it's doing its job. And I think that's really awesome. So let's go ahead and I'm going to put my gloves on. We're going to start spraying, and I'll show you right now on how good this product is. I'm going to be mowing my lawn today as well. So that way I can spray this, let it do its job while I'm mowing my lawn, come back, show you guys midway of what it looks like. And then also at the very end, in about 24 hours, I'll come back, take a little video of it, and I'll give you my thoughts at the end and tell you a little bit more about this Natural Armor natural weed and grass killer. So let's go ahead and spray this down and let's see how this works. And again, like I mentioned, you want to spray the roots of whatever is growing with this product. You also want to be sure to shake this product well. It does say that on the label. To shake well, it says that it takes about 24 hours to work or more. It also does mention that you want to make sure that it's not going to rain anytime soon. It just did recently rain. However, that shouldn't hinder the effect of this very much because it's really dry right now. Everything that did rain within the past 2 days is dried up. The ground is slightly moist still, so that shouldn't pose any kind of issue. So we're just gonna keep on spraying this right here. And you're gonna wanna be very generous of how much you're applying here. And you can see that I'm just hitting all the roots. I'm also gonna hit some of the leaves too of the weeds. I'm just gonna move this out of the way that way so I can get everything effectively. All right. So I got about a quarter sprayed right now. We're gonna spray the rest of it, and I'll show you down the line on how good this product actually is. I'm really surprised, especially with it being all natural. I was kind of hesitant to go ahead and use this, but it'll be well worth it just to give it a shot. I'm gonna make sure you spray all the roots. And now I'm just doing like a line spray because there's some like weird little grasslings that are just popped up, some clovers over here. And it's advertised to work on a lot of things. So it says right here on the bottle, Natural Armor, all natural weed and grass killer is used anywhere weeds or grass are not wanted in areas such as driveways, fence lines, foundations, gravel areas, mulch beds, overgrown weed areas, patios, pavers, rock walls, and pathways and walkways. It works really well for what I've noticed on several different kinds of weeds, several different types of grass. So I'm rather pleased to show you this, and I'm sure you're gonna be rather amazed and you're gonna wanna pick some up as soon as you can. Especially if you're planning on having any kind of family gatherings and you just need to tidy up the space with where you're gathering. This is a great alternative to getting on your hands and knees and just picking everything out. What's really nice about this too is you can get into those little cracks and crevices where they would be really annoying just to either trim or do it by hand manually. It'll go right into any little crack and crevice that you need it to. And I can already see it's working, which is really amazing. I'm gonna keep on spraying this. And again, you wanna be really generous of how much you're spraying. Well, a gallon goes a long way, believe it or not. So I'm gonna keep on spraying it. And already, just from spraying it maybe a minute and a half ago, I can see the color changes of some of these weeds and some of the grass that's being sprayed, which is quite impressive. And I think this is a great natural remedy for individuals that are having the same issue as me with grass growing between gravel or your patio area. I've used this on my mulch area, my driveway, since I have a gravel driveway, and it worked extremely well for that area. I'm gonna shake it up as I go as well. Now, the good thing about this is You'll also be able to notice where you did not spray by the color changing of the weeds or grass that you're spraying. That way, so you can go back later, spray whatever you need to, whatever you missed, or you can just hand pick it if you need to, or if you have the time. This saves a lot of time on doing that though, which is nice. And once again, you just want to make sure that you're applying very generously. I'm gonna get in between the cracks here. And the only downside of this is just the smell, man. The smell is just, I don't like ketchup smell. I mean, you can smell the clove in it, but it's really, lemon really overpowers that. I'm gonna just go over and make sure I have all the spaces that I want. Control these weeds and kill them, sprayed out. I'm probably gonna use the remainder of this bottle here. I had like maybe a quarter of this left. That's how much I've used this. If that, gives you any kind of concern on if this product is worth it. I've used this on my entire driveway, my 2 mulch areas where I have some plants, and it didn't really harm any of the other plants around it, which is really nice. I'm gonna make sure I get that sprayed at the actual root area. That way I make sure this really penetrates deep into that area, gets rid of all those weeds. And I'm just gonna use the rest of this product probably on here, and I can already see the colors changing on it, so that's really cool. It's working rather well so far. I'm starting to get to the end of the bottle, which is fine. I was expecting that. All right, so I just finished spraying, and I just want to show you here that you can already see the color change on everything. It's really cool to see that actually happening with just only maybe 5 or 10 minutes of spraying this. You can see right here that it's already starting to work, and I've applied this rather generously on all the roots. And we're gonna go ahead, and you can see right there, just look at that. It's already starting to work really well. So there, right there, only after 5 to 10 minutes of spraying, this is already doing its job and working really well. The main reason why you wanna make sure that you spray this when there's no rain in the forecast or it's relatively dry and not very damp is so that the active ingredients in here can cling on to those actual weeds and grass, and that way it can do its job and kind of start doing its magic in order to suffocate it or, get rid of it. And there's Hazel. So now I'm gonna go ahead and start mowing my lawn. I'm gonna show you halfway through in about an hour. That way so you can see on how well this is working. And then in about 24 hours, I'm gonna show you how good of a job this did. Following that, I'll go ahead and give you my thoughts on this and where you can find this product and a little bit more information about it as well. So stay tuned. You'll definitely will not want to miss the end result of this. All right, so I'm about halfway through mowing my lawn. And as promised, I just wanted to show everybody here, it's been about an hour and a half. And already, if you look over here, you can see that this product is doing a really decent job at getting rid of the weeds and the grass here. You can already just tell visually. Granted, there's some grass clippings because I was mowing the lawn, but you can see that there's already evidence of the weed killer that's all natural doing its job, and it's doing its job very well. You can see just how much of a color difference there is. And if you just look over here, it's pretty much turning it brown. And thankfully, it doesn't really smell as bad as it did when I was spraying it on the other parts of my property. I am very pleased with how Natural Armor's product works. And again, I was very skeptical at the beginning. You can just visually see that this is working really well, and it hasn't even been 24 hours like they say on the bottle. It works within an hour which is really nice. I noticed the color change within 15 minutes of applying it to all of this area right here. And with an hour and a half almost gone by after applying it, you can tell that it's doing its job really well. And I don't think I really missed too many spots. There's maybe 1 or 2 spots that I see right now, but since I used the rest of the chemical, I might have to pick some more up. And like I said, I'll put that link to this product in the description below. You can check that out if you're interested in this. This is the Natural Armor's Natural Weed and Grass Killer. The only thing again is the smell, and you can slightly smell it here right now, but it's not nearly as bad, especially after mowing the lawn. I'm about halfway through mowing it, so I just need to finish that up. All of this is pretty much gonna be cleared up. I can go through probably in about a day or so and pick out whatever's still standing up, or I can just take a rake to it and probably a majority of it up. Now I do have some lining underneath this, and I do wanna put some more gravel on. Hi, Hazel. Now I do have some lining under it, so a rake might not be the best option, but if it's somewhere where you could use a rake, you could easily get up all of those dead grass and dead weeds rather than, hunching over and picking them up. Now this product is great for that and making an easier approach to killing weeds and grass that are unwanted in gravel areas, mulch areas, patios, in between concrete cracks, sidewalks. I would definitely suggest this product for those applications. And I think that this product really should be in every house, especially seeing as it's all natural. The clove, the lemon, the vinegar, the glycerin. I think that's a really big perk to this company using all natural ingredients like that. But I think this is a great option for anybody to have in their garage to use throughout the whole entire year, especially right now with it becoming the beginning of summer. Now's the time to buy a product like this, get all the jobs that you need done out of the way, especially with me, being able to clear all this out, get all the weeds up, and once I get some more rock in, make it all nice. Make it all look nice and enjoyable for guests to come over, enjoy some fires, everything like that. So if you are looking for some product like this, you can definitely count on Natural Armor's Natural Weed and Grass Killer. I'm not sponsored by them by any means. I'm not affiliated with them. I'm very pleased with using this product. And the question is would I buy this again? Absolutely. Regardless of the smell being quite hideous, honestly, I think this product is well worth it. Now, I have not been able to look at the pricing as of right now, but I'll show the pricing right here on the screen and where you can find this on the screen right here as well. I probably should have researched that before shooting this video. However, I feel like this product, regardless of its price, is definitely worth it, especially with the natural ingredients and how great of a job it does. This has been something that's been bothering me for quite some time. And after finding this product, I'm really glad I did. I will probably pick up some more that way so I can get my driveway done as it's gravel and the rest of the gravel part that is some washout from the rocks just kind of flowing down from the rain. So anyway, with it only being an hour, I'm very pleased of the job that it's doing. And right now I'm gonna show you what it looks like 24 hours from now. Thank you so much for coming to this video. And in the comment section below, I'm genuinely curious. Does this product look like it's something for you? And are you planning on any type of projects over the summer that you're looking to get done where this product will be a helpful, handy thing for you to use? With that all being said, my name's Tim. This was the Flanneled Vine. I certainly appreciate everybody taking the time out of their day to watch my videos. And if you like this type of video, go ahead and head over to my channel, click on that subscribe button, and be sure to click on that bell icon. That way, so you're up to date on all the content that I upload for you. You can find different videos up there, different reviews, some how-to instructional videos as well. And I hope you enjoyed those videos as much as you enjoyed this one. Thank you all once again. My name was Tim. This was the Flanneled Vine, and we'll see you later. Have a good one.